Hey guys, welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial you are going to learn how to create a beautiful responsive website. The resulting website will be a website like the one you see in the screen right now. This website contains a top navigation, then there is a header that is responsive. When I say a responsive header, I mean that the header is suitable for mobile devices as well as larger screens. Then there is a navigation bar. This navigation bar is responsive as well, which means that this navigation bar displays in mobile devices as well as larger screens. And then you can see that there is content. As you can see, there are pictures and the descriptions for those pictures. And finally you have a footer. Now in the footer you can see that there is two links. One link takes you to the FAQ page and the other link takes you to the contact page. Now this website is composed of 7 web pages. The first page, of course, is the home page. The other page is the about page that states some information about the pastry shop, because this website is about a pastry shop. This is the about page. As you can see, there is the picture of the cake, followed by a random paragraph of random text, and one of the other pages is the testimonials page, which is a responsive page as well. The testimonials page shows information about the customers, shows the opinion of the customers about our pastry shop. As you can see, the testimonials page contains 3 pictures along with the testimonial of each of the customers. And as I said earlier, this page is also responsive. Now I'm going to show you how this website looks in mobile devices, because the websites right now are suitable for mobile devices as well as larger screens. Okay guys, well, this is the appearance of the website for mobile devices. As you can see, the shape of the navigation menu has improved. Now the navigation menu appears vertically, and if I scroll down the page, you can see that the order of the pictures has changed. Now you can see that the picture displays above the testimonial of the customer, and you can see that there is a picture followed by the testimonial of the customer, and finally one more picture followed by the testimonial of the customer. As you can see, the appearance of the web page is the appearance of the web page changes according to the size of the screen. Well guys, if you want to learn how to create this very beautiful website that is a responsive website, you can take this video tutorial, and this video tutorial is very interesting, so I hope you like it. See you later guys.